Welcome to the Crazy Hat Chemist. So another video here on solubility. So let's get moving. Bam! So today we are concentrating on concepts of precipitation phenomena. Okay, recall from the equilibrium unit the reaction quotient, which is Q. The reaction quotient Q is the same as the equilibrium constant, the KEQ. It's mathematically the same, that is the products divided by the reactants with the stoichiometric coefficients as exponents. So the equation is exactly the same. In order to determine if a precipitation will occur or will not occur, a comparison of the reaction quotient, the Q, and the KEQ, that is the equilibrium constant, and in this particular case, it's going to be the KSP, is necessary to do. We're going to do a comparison between the Q and the KSP. So, when the Q is less than the KSP, the solution is called unsaturated and no precipitation will occur. Okay? When the Q and the KSP are equal to each other, the solution is saturated and no precipitation occurs at that point in time either. We're just, though, on the fence. When Q is greater than the KSP, the solution is called supersaturated and precipitation occurs. In fact, one more molecule or one more atom beyond when the Q is greater than the KSP, one more molecule or atom when the Q is greater, that's when precipitation occurs. So as soon as the Q is greater than the KSP, then precipitation occurs. Right at it is at equilibrium, and that is when it's a saturated solution and no precipitation. Okay, hopefully that works out well for you. We're going to apply this information here mathematically. We are going to be given the KSP value, or we have to look it up in a table. And then what we're going to do is we're going to calculate the reaction quotient. We're going to compare the reaction quotient to the KSP value and ask ourselves, is this unsaturated, saturated, or supersaturated? If it is unsaturated or saturated, then no precipitation occurs. If it is supersaturated, then precipitation occurs at that moment in time. Okay, so here's a little bit of medical humor here, so stay for this. Why do chemists call helium, curium, and barium the, quote, medical, unquote, elements? Well, if you can't helium or curium, you barium. Sounds kind of bad there. Sorry about that. But I am the Crazy Hat Chemist. I got a crazy hat here. If you remember anything from Mickey Mouse, this is the hat, of course. And you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a thumbs up on this video, and you can donate to my website and get yourself a sticker. Cool.